She's a cat, huh? Should I sing another tune? Should I sing some more? I was singing before and they seem to enjoy that, so. Enki cat. Enki is the sink-dwelling cat. He is also, in addition to being the sink-dwelling cat, he is a slap happy dog cat who likes to slap Willy dog. Isn't that right, Enki cat? Enki cat. Enki cat likes to spend his time in the sink. Enki cat likes to spend his time in the sink. But when Willy dog decides to say hello, Willy dog is a little bit over enthusiastic. Willy dog is a bit overly enthusiastic, wouldn't you agree? Enki cat. And Willy dog doesn't necessarily know how to interact with cats. He likes cats. He definitely likes cats. But sometimes he doesn't know what to do with cats. What do you think, Sadie, of the cat? What do you think of the cat? What do you think of your brother, Willy? Do you both like cats? What do you think of the dog, Enki? Are you just trying to enjoy your time in the sink? Do you enjoy my singing? Do you enjoy the dog? Or do you just want to be left alone in the sink? You have your paw ready to hit Willy dog on the nose when he gets a little bit too enthusiastic and cat obsessed. But I think that we should leave Enki alone because I think he wants to relax in the sink and I don't want to disturb his time in the sink. Would that be okay, Willy, if we left now and allowed Enki to have his time in the sink? Because I think he wants to relax in the sink without you bothering him. So let us go now. Let us proceed outside and stop interrupting his spa time in the sink. Because I can see from his expression that he looks a little bit perturbed by your cat-obsessed ways.